Hey folks, how are you? Jim Miner, Home Loans Advocate, Consumer Outreach. My number is 602-345-0433. Here to help folks in Maricopa County and Pinal County. That's it. We don't charge for services. We do collect our fees from the lending institutions, and we're here to help you. And you know what, folks? If you're here, chances are you probably have a notice of default. And then also you may be thinking you're in the midst of loan mod, getting a loan modification. Folks, got to tell you, you can't have them both going on. And if you've got a certified piece of mail from an attorney, law firm, saying your home's going to auction, that's a sit up and take notice, because that's what's going on. You may think all day you've got your loan mod. No, it's going to auction. Can you get back and get into a loan mod position? You may be able to. I don't know. I don't know what the situation is. But anyway, the purpose of this is, some of you folks had asked me, what is it that the bank is looking at? Remember I told you those 5 things real quick? That debt-to-equity ratio on the front end is 31% or more, debt-to-equity ratio on the back end 70% or less, a pre-workout cash flow, a post-workout cash flow, and the net present value. And people get that glassy-eyed look and go, net present value, what in the heck is that? And I told you I would explain it to you. And folks, this would be the most simplified version of net present value on the planet. But it kind of gives you a sense, because right now, that's what the banks are focusing on. They've come up with a 56-page algorithm. And what they do is they load that thing up with all kinds of variables. And then they hit the go button, and they look to see what it kicks out. Does it say, yes, you qualify for loan modification? No, you don't. Or, yes, you qualify for maybe a HAMP Tier 2 loan modification. No, you can do a short, nope, can't do a short sale. The only thing that's going to happen with this property is foreclosure. And you can send every document into them on the planet. And if that net present value says no, you're not getting loan modification, you're not getting short sale. Okay? You better have somebody representing, talking for you that knows what they're doing. Quick explanation, net present value. I'm going to keep the numbers simple. Okay? You want to say, should I buy this piece of equipment for my electrical company or not? I'll spend $100 for it. I plan on keeping it for about 10 years. And then through the course of those 10 years, I'm going to get cash flows that will come in each year when I buy that piece of equipment. Well, then what you do is, looking at the net present value, is you say, okay, if I've got 10 years worth of cash flow coming in, and I'm going to have a salvage value of that piece of equipment that's 10 years down the road, and I have an internal rate of return that I have to get, and let's say that rate of return is 12%. I have to get a 12% return on any capital budgeting projects. Could be just buying that piece of equipment. I'm going to discount those back. And when I say discount, remember, $1 tomorrow is worth less than $1 today because of inflation. So I'm going to discount those values back to today, and I'm going to see if that value is greater than that original $100. If it is, then I may elect to move forward with my purchase. If it is negative, I can't move forward. I'm going to lose money on this deal. And like I said, they have a 56-page algorithm that they throw every kind of variable on the planet in that thing. And it's going to kick out and say what they want to do with your loan. Loan modification, short sale, foreclosure, whatever the case may be. And you're a little bit exasperated, you are fully warranted to having that feeling. I'm telling you. This kicked in around January 14th of this year. I'm telling you folks, you really need some help on this kind of stuff. We're here to help you. We are Consumer Outreach, Home Loans Advocate. Like I told you, we're not going to charge you for it. We'll collect those fees from the bank, then pay out a little bit of money here. Okay, remember, they paid $17 billion out. People say, well, I'll do a forensic study. You're not going to bust the bank with your forensic study. They just paid a $17 billion fine. They'll just keep getting delays until you don't have any more money to fight your case. Just love the banks, don't you? Anyway, hey, we want to get the 800-pound gorilla off the back. We want the sun coming up tomorrow. We want you feeling good. Give us a call. Jim Miner, Home Loans Advocate, here to help you folks, only in Maricopa County and Pinal County. Remember what I said we do? Come to your house, we sit down, we talk, get to know the situation. You've got to trust us and feel good with us. And also, let's look at the options that are available. Let's look at your situation. If there's a game plan that includes us, terrific. If not, and it helps you, that's a winner. Anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for visiting. Have a nice day.